If you're thinking about moving to Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, then I'm super excited here because this video, we're gonna be showing you what a lakefront condo looks like in Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. Now, living on the water is very highly coveted. And so we only have, I think, 39 houses on the water in Incline Village in Crystal Bay. And so they're very coveted. We just had, we had 3 on the market. One of them was listed for $25 million. It just went into escrow. It was about a 2,000 square foot cabin. Really good chance that might get torn down and a big mansion built there because honestly, if you had $25 million, would you want to live in a 2,000 square foot cabin? But anyways, so what if you don't want to spend $25 million? Actually, you can't now because it's up to $40 million is the next one. So if you don't want to spend $40 million to be on the lake in Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, what do? You go for a lakefront condo, right? And this is what I'm going to show you today. So I'm at 501 Lakeshore Terrace. Oh, look at those ducks. Isn't that beautiful? Gotta love Incline Village and Lake Tahoe. So today I'm going to show you a 501 Lakeshore Terrace. And this unit is about 1,800 square feet. It's 2 bedrooms, 3 full baths, has a 2-car garage, plus a bonus room, plus a bonus loft area that is being used for an office. Has some amazing views of Lake Tahoe. Isn't this incredible? One of the things I love about being on the North Shore is we have such better views. Because when we on the North Shore, we get to look at Friel's Peak and Tallac and Rubicon Peak and all these beautiful Swiss Alpine-like mountains. And when you're on the other side of the lake, you're looking back, you're just getting Mount Rose is pretty, but it's not impressive, let me just say that. So, another great point about living on the North Shore is my favorite spot on all of Lake Tahoe. So this condo is beautiful today. One of the cool things about having a lakefront condo is a lot of times you get access to a pier. So this pier, you can come out here, see all these buoys that are out in the water right now. So you should be able to get one of those buoys to put your boat on. And then when you come out, you have a little dinghy, you go out to your boat, bring it in, get all your desks on the pier, and you have a really great day out on the lake. Now, this is what the lake looks like on a calm day. And this is what the lake looks like on a rough day. So we're out here on a rough day. It's a windy day in Lake Tahoe, and this property is in Crystal Bay Cove. And that's important to notice because if you look over here, the waves are not as rough over on this side because it's protected from Crystal Bay Cove. But if you look out on this side of Lake Tahoe where there's no protection, the waves are pretty rough. It would be sketchy to be out on a boat right now or be trying to get on and off your boat right now. I wouldn't recommend it. So something to think about with Lake Tahoe when it gets windy. But I just wanted to come out here on this rough day and show you what the waves look like in Lake Tahoe on a windy day and the difference of having a place that's protected in a cove versus being out on open water. So if you want to get some of the shores there, it's not big enough to surf. I don't think you'd want to surf with those rocks anyways, but the wind does pick up in Lake Tahoe and we do get some nice weather. I took that footage 2 days ago and wind was blowing pretty good, just to show you the power of Lake Tahoe. We are in a cove here, which is really nice, so we are a little bit protected. Just to warn you, boats do sink. There was this cool little bar called the Tiki Bar right over on the other side of the point there in California, and it was kind of just pirated in. It wasn't even a legal bar down the water that this restaurant put in, but it was a great bar for the 2 years it lasted. Actually, I met my wife. Our second date was, we met at that bar to go boating. But we were sitting at that bar one day and it was a rough day and we saw this boat and it was tied down to a buoy and it was an open bow boat. And as the boat dipped, some water would go in and then it would get a little bit deeper and then there was more water in the bottom. And eventually it ended up sinking. We were trying to call people to find out who owned the boat, but the marina there said it's just too dangerous to go out. So basically the boat sunk. It was really sad, but it happens sometimes. So having your boat in a cove like this is much better place to have your boat stored than like on the other side of the East Shore. I sold a lakefront house to a guy over there and he got his boat. It was like the 3rd day he put it on the water, it sunk. I felt so bad for him. He did have insurance on it, so he didn't lose any money, but he lost the whole season because it took 3 months for them to get the boat going again. So be careful when you have your boats. If you want to reach out to me, I can show you how to help prevent them from sinking. But it is a lake. It does get rough at times, as you can see from that short clip a few minutes ago, but it is absolutely gorgeous today. I love it. The water is crystal clear. Another great thing out here, you can have really easy access to your stand-up paddleboard, your kayaking. It's great. I had a client, they owned a house over in Incline Village, and they bought a house over in Crystal Bay that they were going to tear down and build another one, and it had a pier. And he was laughing because he had this pier, and when he had his boat, he rarely went out on his boat because it was a little bit of work. But when he had his pier, he would just go out on it all the time. It was so simple. So being lakefront has some huge advantages when you want to talk about getting on the water, being on your boat, enjoying this gorgeous lake and all of its amenities. It's fantastic. So let's go check out this condo. It's awfully beautiful. They remodeled, it's gorgeous inside. They did a great job. They actually flipped it. So the kitchen used to be on the middle level. They moved the kitchen up to the top level now, so you have much better views. And we're gonna check this out for you today, so stick around. One of the things I really love about this condominium is, even though it's only 1,800 square feet, it has a really nice sized kitchen. Nothing better than sitting at a table, having breakfast and looking out of the lake. It's fantastic. And this kitchen, you can make some really nice meals in here. Let's check this out. First of all, we have a dumbwaiter that comes up from the garage. So you can pull in the garage, put your groceries in there, send them right up. Easy peasy, right? I'm excited about this kitchen because I've been in some condos and the kitchens are small, and this is nice. This is a really good size. We got a nice Viking refrigerator here, another Viking stove with gas, a trash compactor, a dishwasher. We've got a double sink with a water filter there. I don't know if we need that in Tahoe, but some people like it. Our lake water comes out really nice. Actually, Lake Tahoe School, one of the projects the kids did was they tested our tap water in Lake Tahoe and compared it to bottled water, and our tap water rated higher than the bottled water here. So go ahead and drink the tap water when you're in Lake Tahoe. Don't worry about having to buy plastic water bottles. So getting back to the kitchen, beautiful. We got accent lighting up here in the cabinets. I love that they did this differently. It's like a New England cottage look with the wainscoting look and the cabinetry. You see a lot of stuff in Tahoe and it all has that Tahoe look, but they did it different here. I like that. So great kitchen. I got everything you need. Good amount of storage too for an 1,800 square foot condo. And let's come over here if we can. We've got our little entertainment area. So again, sticking with the Viking, we got a Viking wine cooler here, more storage for wine glasses, or you can make this little bar area, whatever you need to do. It's a really nice accent with the kitchen between the living room and the kitchen. Like I was talking about, you have this really nice bar here, that transition between the kitchen and the living room. So we walk out to the living room, got a beautiful deck here. Obviously gorgeous Lake Tahoe in the background. Nice big living room. We've got a fireplace here. We've got a place for art that's lit up. We've got all this storage here if you want to get all your trophies, or if you have trophies or pictures of your kids, whatever. There's a TV in here. It's designed for the old school big TVs, but that works, right? More storage. There's surround sound, it looks like. Come over here, we have a full bath. So in here is a full bath. And there's 2 bedrooms and 3 full baths. So there's plenty of room for everybody to be taking a shower. If you're coming off the lake and you're getting ready to go to dinner, or you're coming off the ski hill and you're looking to get ready to go out to dinner, whatever it is. I love having plenty of bathrooms for everybody. It just makes the house so comfortable. So this is the main floor. We've got a bedrooms downstairs and a loft upstairs, and below the bedrooms is the garage. So this is the owner's bedroom. Beautiful, really good sized bedroom. Like I said, for an 1,800 square foot condo, this is a great size room. We've got plenty of room for a king size bed, nightstands on each side. We've got a beautiful fireplace here. There is a row of cabinetry, and then there's a TV in here. They're set up for a TV in there. Over here, we have the beautiful spa-sized bathroom. This is fantastic. We've got double sinks here. And then you've got outside access if you need to. So it's kind of nice. You have a little dog and they need to use the bathroom in the middle of the night. Just go right there, right? Easy peasy. And then there's egress going up. Beautiful jetted tub. We have a toilet here. Big size shower with multiple shower heads. I love that. Nothing better than getting all that nice warm water on you. I love that. And then check out this big walk-in closet. Plenty of room for all your clothes and stuff, whether you're gonna go out on the lake or go skiing or go to a restaurant, whatever. Plenty of room for all your clothes. I love that. So beautiful size bedroom for the owners and a beautiful bathroom to go with it. Let's talk about the deck too. So there's a patio over there and then a deck right here with views of Lake Tahoe. So pretty fantastic setup in this condo. So this is the second bedroom. Now the second bedroom is not as glorious as the owner's bedroom, but in Lake Tahoe, you don't want your guests to be too comfortable because they'll never leave. I've noticed that when your guests are too comfortable, they never leave because Tahoe is so awesome, especially in the summertime. So still pretty good size room, got enough room for a king size bed. I think this is a queen, but you could probably squeeze a king in there if you had smaller nightstands. We've got a nice bathroom. It's kind of nice having your guest bedroom have its own bath. Again, it's not as luxurious as the owner's bath, but still very nice, full-size tub. So if somebody comes with little kids, you can give them baths here, or it'd be a good place if you wanted to wash your dogs. And real cozy, a little closet behind here, living closet, and then a decent-sized closet right here for your guests. And all in all, very nicely set up. So this is the loft. This is the third room in the house. This is not to be considered a bedroom because there is no egress. There's only the stairs coming in and out. So they have beds here, but this is not considered a bedroom. Just for disclosure's sake, right? My realtor lawyer, I'm not a lawyer. Anyway, just to disclose that there's no egress here. So this is not considered a bedroom, but people are using it for sleeping. There's a desk here. This would be an amazing office, although might be kind of hard because you probably spend too much time staring out the window at those amazing views. But this is the third room. I'm not going to call it a bedroom, but some amazing views up here and an extra place to put your office. A nice little entry here. We talked about how beautiful the front door is with the glass, leaving some light in this room. We've got a nice little guest coat closet here. And this closet, we actually have the laundry room. So you've got your laundry on premises, which is really great. And then under the stairs, there's another closet that goes back and all the way under the stairs there. So plenty of storage for all of your the toys. But next, I'm going to show you where all the fun toys really are, and that's downstairs in the garage. What I love about this condo is there's a 2-car garage. So you got plenty of room to store all of your toys, because when you live right on the lake, you're gonna have a lot of toys. So let's check this out. You've got 2 kayaks, and the good news is these are included in the sale price of the house. So you got 2 kayaks here, it's totally cool. And then they have the pedal powers. So you pedal and you can zoom your kayak around. We've got a stand-up paddle board. Like I said, 2-car garage and a nice big 2-car garage. Sometimes we say 2-car garage and you're getting out of your car like this, right? Plenty of room to open up all your doors. Water heaters for the unit. This is your dumbwaiter I was talking about. So if you come in the garage, you put your groceries right in here and then send them right up to the kitchen, which makes it really nice. And then we got the bonus room here. Check this out. We've got a workout room in here. Workout room or storage area. Isn't this great? I love it. Even a little TV in there to check out. So when you're working out, you can be paying attention. What a nice bonus. So living in Tahoe, you're gonna have a lot of toys, a lot of fun things. There's plenty of room. You can hang mountain bikes from the ceiling. Got your stand-up paddleboard there. And I love it. This really makes this place great. So if you're thinking about moving to Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, and you wanna learn everything you know about moving to Incline Village, Nevada, and possibly having a lakefront condo like this, go ahead and subscribe below, and you'll be the first one notified when I send out a new video about the current market situation in Incline Village, Nevada. Hey everybody, my name is Tahoe Tony. My full name is Tahoe Tony Tuoto, but I go by Tahoe Tony because most people can't pronounce, spell, or say my last name. I am the office manager for eXp Luxury Real Estate in Incline Village, Nevada. My broker salesperson license number is 144620. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video I made of this lakefront condo in Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. Lakeshore Terrace is a great complex right on the water. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you want to get a clearer picture, just like our water here is clear as can be, if you want to get a clear picture of what it takes to move to Incline Village, Nevada, go ahead and shoot me an email, send me a text message, or give me a phone call, and I will make sure that your move to Incline Village, Nevada is the best real estate experience you've ever had.